Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make some delicious tostadas de salpicón. In case you guys want to know how to make them, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for the recipe we're going to need 2 pounds of your choice of beef, chopped lettuce, tomatoes, radish, and jalapeños, half of a purple onion, pickled jalapeños, 6 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 2 limes, and all of our spices that I will link in the description box. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright guys, so we're going to start by grabbing our Dutch oven or pot. We're going to set it on medium-high heat, and to that we're going to add about 10 cups of water. Three tablespoons of salt. Our bay leaves and whole black pepper, the other half of the purple onion and garlic, and we're just going to bring it to a boil. Okay, so once our water comes to a boil, we're going to throw in our meat and just cut into large chunks. And now we're just going to wait for it to come to a boil again. Alright guys, so once it comes to a boil, we're going to reduce the heat to medium. We're going to cover it and we're going to cook that for about an hour and a half to 2 hours. While we wait, we're going to make a pickled onion. So we're going to squeeze the juice of our lime. Okay, we're going to add the pickled jalapeno juice. So just make sure that it covers the onion. And I'm also going to add about 4 jalapeños. And then we're going to add our salt, black pepper, and oregano. So just mix it all together. Okay, so now we're just going to cover them and set them to the side. Okay guys, so it's been an hour and 40 minutes. At this point, our meat should be done. So just make sure that you check it. Super tender. Now we're just going to remove it from our pot. We're going to allow it to cool down so we can begin shredding. Okay. Alright, so while we wait for our meat to cool down, we're going to make our dressing. So I'm just going to mix the olive oil, apple cider vinegar. We're going to get the juice of 1 lime, okay. We're going to add our minced garlic, oregano, salt, and black pepper. And now we're just going to mix it. Okay, so once we have that, we're going to place it in the refrigerator and just allow it to cool down while we shred our meat. Okay, so we're just going to shred the meat. Alright guys, so once our meat is nice and shredded and our dressing has been sitting in the refrigerator for 15 minutes, now we are ready to put our salpicón together. Alright, so I'm going to grab a large bowl. I'm going to add the lettuce along with cilantro, tomatoes, and I'm adding fresh jalapeño, but of course you don't have to add it. And then a radish. Okay, so now we're just going to add our pickled onions with jalapeños. Now you can add all of this juice in here, but me personally, I just don't like my salad to turn this color. So now we're just going to add our dressing. And you can add as much as you want or just add the whole thing. Just mix it. And I forgot to tell you, but make sure that you taste your dressing after we make it. Okay, so now we're going to add our meat. And just mix it all together. Alright, so once we have our delicious salpicón, now we are ready to make our tostadas. Alrighty guys, and now for the fun part, serving. So of course you can just enjoy it like that or have it in a tostada. I'm just going to grab my tostada shell, spread some crema mexicana or sour cream. We're going to put our salpicón just like that. My mouth's already watery. We're going to add some queso fresco. And some avocado. Okay. And of course, grab some more jalapeño. And just like that, now we are ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that this is seriously a very delicious salad. Like I said, you know, I like to enjoy it in una tostada, but of course you can just enjoy it like that. It's really refreshing, it's light, and it's seriously so delicious. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. The pickled onions, the vinaigrette, it's just like so good. Perfect combination. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how I make some delicious tostadas de salpicón. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.